viewers, welcome to Shazi Ka Kitchen. Sipping on frozen juices is a refreshing and delicious way to stay cool in scorching summer. So I decided to share a very quick and easy recipe of mango shake without using mangoes. Let's see the ingredients. For preparing mango shake for 6 persons, we need 1 liter of milk, 6 or 7 tablespoons of mango tang, 6 tablespoons of any condensed milk. We need 2 cups of ice cubes. Let's start the recipe. First, we will add 7 tablespoons of mango tang in 1 liter milk. Remember viewers, we will use cold milk for making mango milkshake. Mix well until tang gets dissolved in milk. Now add 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. After using condensed milk, there will be no need of adding sugar. This condensed milk forms creamy and smoothie milkshake. Take ice cubes in your favorite glass. Now I'm pouring milkshake into my glass. You can see how creamy and smoothie it is. If you like my recipe, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Take care.